be thief. Okay, why you dodge your head? You did dodge? You see the fear for honorary hand. Still on the matter. Now one question. One single question I want to ask you. This one is street here. And they tell you, my brother and sister for house, if you did, one day, you just see armed robbers, they rob, you can't know one person. And you know the person, you meet some those armed robbers. You go report police. This one is street here. People enter street. We go find us. The can't answer when people will give us. Hey! Madam, how we dey? How we dey? Hope you relax well. No fear. Still on the street here. Wazobia TV. My name is MC Shaggy. Make we go there. Because they just say armed robbers, they rob somewhere. You can't see one of the armed robbers and you know their face. You go report police.
I don't go. I don't go report to.
You don't go report?
I don't go report to.
You don't go report?
I don't go report.
Why?
If I report, make them come meet me for my house. I don't go report.
Who come meet you? Police or the...
Nah, I'm robber.
They come meet you. They don't know you now.
They go know.
But they go catch the person go down.
They go know.
Yeah.
They go know.
Madam, if not you go.
I don't go report to, please.
Why not report?
No.
But they say police is our friends.
Them be our friend. Wait. They are not few report.
I will go report. The police will catch them themselves now.
Police will catch them themselves?
Yeah.
You sure why you don't go report police?
Because if you dey after me tomorrow now, if I go report and go.
That kind thing.
Oh
my
They save my head now.
They save your head, abi?
But
they say police is your friend now.
People want to save the world though. Police na enemy.
Are you sure?
That one na irony now.
That irony abi? I beg give me a 5 too much. Compare to irony. If na you, what you go do?
If you na me, I will just leave them.
You don't go report police?
For where?
If you know anybody for them?
No, I don't go report to.
Sure? This kind of question you had me over. Whether if I know one of the armed robbers, whether I go report for police. Because I know if you try them, I want that.
But he said you don't get strength for police. But if now you go talk.
Hey, my dear. No, I don't go talk.
You know why you don't go talk?
Because police have them the same thing. Them the same thing.
You say what to you? You say what to talk. Even the small pikin say it's very risky. It's very risky. When I hear the English, it's very risky. But it's not easy to take a risk. You want to take a risk? If you don't take a risk, you can't make it in life. Let's go there. Armed robbers is wrong.
Alright.
And you don't know one of the armed robbers. You go report police.
Yes.
Report police. Confidently. So that your face confirm. Like you really through Nigeria knows it. Go report police.
I'll report. I'll call the police instantly.
Instantly.
Yes.
Make them come catch the guy.
Yeah, come.
Make them hold down.
Yes. But go hide you.
Why you go hide?
No, I don't want men to shoot me now. I don't want to die. I dey fear.
Even the Ram said, tell me say you don't ever report police. Now wait till the answer now. Still on the matter on Street Young from Wazobia TV. My name now MC Shaggy. And I don't hear everything. Till the next edition. We could not go away. So now Street Youngs. Don't touch the guy. If you touch him. If you